Rain is falling on my street, softly dancing to the beat. Coffee warming up my hands, but it's colder since you left. Your perfume still fills the air, little pieces everywhere. Every corner, every room still belongs to me and you. And I wonder where you are tonight. Are you thinking of my eyes? On this rainy Tuesday, I miss your touch, miss your heartbeat, miss your love so much. Every raindrop on my window sings all the memories you left with me. Rainy Tuesday, and I hold on tight to the way you made my whole world right. All I want when skies are turning blue is another night with you. Empty side of this old bed, too many words left unsaid. Your photo resting by the lamp, like a story paused in time. People laughing down the road while I carry all this home. Maybe someone